look at this particular example. We have the following are two boxes that contain black and white balls. A ball is drawn at random from box 1. Then a ball is drawn at random from box 2. And the colors of the balls are recorded in order. So it's very important that you notice that it's recorded in order. So let's first look at what we have in each box. So box 1 is going to have 3 white and 2 black for a total of 5. Box 2 is going to have 2 white and 4 black for a total of 6. And so we need to know the totals in each one, and we need to know how many are in each. Okay? And we want to know the probabilities. So the first one, we want to know the probability that 2 white balls are drawn. So we want a white and a white. So we want a white from box 1 and a white from box 2. So the probability of drawing a white from box 1 is going to be 3 out of 5. And the probability of drawing a white from box 2 is going to be 2 out of 6. So we multiply straight across. So that's going to be 6 out of 30, which simplifies into 1/5. Now, the probability of drawing at least 1 black. If we want to draw at least 1 black, that means that the first can be black, second can be white, or the first is white, the second is black, or the first is black and the second is black. All 3 of these possibilities would give me at least 1 black. The only way that I do not get at least 1 black is if I get a black and a black. Okay? And I can think of this as a tree diagram if you want to. And that might help some of you. Let's look at this as a tree diagram, because then it will actually help you see where I get at least 1 black. Okay? So if I think about box 1, I can get a black or a white. Getting a black, my probability is 2 out of 5. Getting a white is 3 out of 5. Remember, these branches have to add up to 1. Now, my second draw, if I get a black, I can still get black or white. Getting a black out of the second box is 4 out of 6. Getting a white is 2 out of 6. Getting a black is 4 out of 6. Getting a white is 2 out of 6. So if I think about this, I can get a black and a black. That would be 2/5 times 4/6. I could get a black and then a white, which would be 2/5 times 2/6. I could get a white and then a black. That would be 3/5 times 4/6. Or I could get a white and a white, which is 3/5 times 2/6. And I think I made a mistake down here. Yes. The only time I don't get at least one black would be a white and a white. Because notice all three of these possibilities would be at least one black. So I can go through here, and like this one would be 8 over 30. This is 4 out of 30. This is 12 over 30. And this is 6 out of 30. So at least one black is all three of these, and so I can add these three up. And so I can take the black and white, which was the 4 out of 30, the white and then black, which was 12 out of 30, and then the black and black, which was 8 out of 30, and I get 24 out of 30, which simplifies into 4/5. You could also do a 1 minus the 6 out of 30, which would also give you the 24 out of 30. And at least one, remember you can always do a 1 minus its complement, 1 minus no blacks. Okay? So that's always a possibility. It just depends. Now, here we want 1 white and 1 black. So that means either of these two possibilities. Doesn't matter which one of these possibilities. It could be this one or it could be this one. So I'm going to add these two possibilities. So see, notice that the tree diagram helps us quite a bit. So it would be 4/30 plus 12/30. And so that would give me 16 over 30, which can be simplified into 8 over 15. And remember, all of these you can also put in decimal format. Okay?